2 homes for the price of one. Situated on over an acre, you can enjoy the luxury of 2 homes. Want to turn one into a mother-in-law suite? Do it. Want to live in one and DIY the other? You can. Investors? This is perfect for you. The lower house hosts 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, and features beautiful hardwood floors. Up the hill you will find another 2-bedroom, 1-bath suite with updated kitchen and stainless steel appliances. Centrally located to shopping, restaurants, and more, this property is perfect for so many.